Hello, my dear friends. Today, we are going to delve into and learn about a very useful and practical feature that is readily available on many Android mobile phones. This remarkable feature specifically allows you to thoroughly clean your phone's speaker system and effectively solve the common and frustrating problem of significantly reduced sound quality and volume, which is often caused by the gradual accumulation of dust and various debris around the intricate components of the phone's speaker grille and internal mechanisms. So let's go directly and tap on the default settings app that comes with Android phones, or you can pull down the notification bar from the top to the bottom. After that, you will need to tap on this particular option. For example, in this demonstration, I will proceed to tap on the default app. Then you should scroll down just a little bit and carefully look for an option that is clearly labeled as Additional Settings. This will allow you to access further configurations. If your phone is in another language, remember the icons and locations you'll be navigating to. I will tap right here in this specific spot. First of all, if this is your very first time watching this video, then welcome. Don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. After that, please scroll down a little bit and carefully look for an option clearly labeled Clear Speaker, then tap on it. You can also take the time to read this helpful article. As you can clearly see, your phone's speaker will be thoroughly cleaned of all accumulated dust and debris, and this persistent issue will be completely and immediately fixed. You should activate this incredibly useful option just like this, as you can observe. Then proceed to press on the quote Italian button. So as you begin to hear the distinct sound, immediately and without delay, turn the volume up to its absolute maximum level. This will ensure the most effective cleaning process. After that, please wait patiently until this specific period is completely over. This particular period of time does not exceed a total of 30 seconds. So the entire process has been successfully completed as intended. And just a friendly reminder, you can certainly read this comprehensive article if you've diligently reached this particular point. Please don't ever forget to thoroughly check out this extensive and helpful playlist, which thoughtfully contains a wide variety of valuable and insightful tutorials. You'll undoubtedly find many important and detailed explanations there that you'll truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.